Hi, Mike Holmes here. To save money and the environment, your home needs to be energy efficient. And to achieve that, you need an airtight enclosure combined with the right insulation. Today, I'm looking at a complete Suprema wall assembly that combines products working together to form a complete and continuous air barrier with a closed-cell polyurethane insulation from top to bottom. Let's take a closer look as to what sets this wall apart from the others. First, notice the insulation is on the outside of the building. This method stops heat loss that transmits through building materials such as the framing in your wall, called thermal bridging. Second, see how the membrane or air barrier is applied to the exterior. This SOPRA-SEAL membrane sticks tightly to the wall and does not allow tears or gaps that would generate air leakage and let moisture and heat to escape. Third, now we apply SOPRA-SPF closed-cell polyurethane spray foam that expands to fill any cracks or gaps, creating a monolithic layer while providing superior thermal insulating value that keeps the heat and the cool where it belongs. When you combine these elements, meaning air barrier and insulation, into one wall, we deal with the most important factors for energy efficiency, which is air leakage and energy loss. With uncontrolled air loss, you can have issues with condensation and humidity, which can lead to mold and poor indoor air quality. A proper airtight wall needs some proper attention to the details. All elements that create a path for heat to escape through the wall should be thermally broken to ensure we minimize any loss. A good example is paying attention to the metal and steel building components, since they conduct heat and cold more easily. You can prevent heat loss by creating a break in the thermal path with less conductive materials that slow down heat loss. I've been using high-performance closed-cell spray foam insulation on my projects for years now. I'm really pleased to see product with a very low global warming potential. We can reduce carbon emissions and energy consumption when we think about the environment and saving on high utility bills. So overall, this wall assembly is one of the best you can use. When combined with the proper mechanical air exchange systems, you get a healthier, more sustainable, eco-friendly, and efficient building today that aspires for a better tomorrow.